Hi everyone, and good afternoon from sunny Caribbean island of Nevis. Hi everyone, my name is Carol and I am the face behind this Facebook page. I just wanted to come on for a few minutes and share with you a practice and a few things that I do to keep me grounded or to keep me focused. So let me just introduce myself. As I said, my name is Carol. I am a young widow, and several years ago I lost my husband. And one of the things that I put in place immediately was to have a morning routine. And have a morning routine because I didn't want to get into that slump of whether depression, feeling sorry or having pity on myself, and just a routine or daily schedule so that it can keep me motivated and growing. So a few of the things that I did or started doing was I always had my daily devotion and prayer as well as meditation. I would listen to different podcasts, whether they were talking about grief or finding new resolutions as to how I can uplift myself and start living and rebuilding my life after loss. I also did several affirmations. So fast forward several years, I started a digital business, and I didn't realize how important having a routine, or especially a morning routine, was for me. So one of the things I picked up after the passing of my husband and I continued doing was mindfulness breathing. So I attended a group session as well as I practiced on my own, and I found just doing the deep breathing was very relaxing for me. It gave me so much more clarity and motivation to just continue and pursuing life, and I just found more purpose in life. So now that I'm my own boss, I own a digital business. I find doing daily meditation practices, especially the mindful breathing, has helped me tremendously. And you know what's great? Again, it's portable. Anywhere I go, I can do this practice, whether on my own or as well as with a group that is online. So that is one method that has helped me from my grief to venturing into a new business. And can I just say, I wish I found it even much sooner. Drop a comment below and let me know what your routine or your practice is like, and what have you found that has helped you to get centered through life.